Hey guys, welcome back to the DevOps Pro English channel and the second video of Python for Beginners series. If you want to learn DevOps tools and Python, then stay tuned to DevOps Pro because here we share tutorials in an easy language and that too with animations. In the previous video, we saw the introduction of Python and its use in DevOps. If you haven't watched that video, make sure to check it out. In today's video, we will discuss how you can install Python on your system on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and how to set up an IDE for a smooth coding experience. So let's get started without any delay.
I am using a Mac, so let's first see the installation process on Mac. Python is already installed on Mac, but if you want to install the latest version, let's go to python.org. Go to python.org and select the Mac installer in the Downloads section. After the installer is downloaded, simply open it and follow the on-screen instructions. Once the installation is complete, open Terminal and type the command Python 3 version. If you see a version number, it means Python has been successfully installed on your Mac. Alright. Let's now move on to Windows users. Installation on Windows is simple too. There are just a few extra steps that I will explain, which will be very useful for you in the future. To install on Windows, go to python.org and download the Windows installer. Open the installer, and make sure to tick the Add Python to Path checkbox while installing. This step should not be forgotten, otherwise, you may face issues in the future. Now click on Install and let the process complete. After the installation is complete, open Command Prompt and type the command Python version. If the output shows the version, then the installation has been successful. Now, for Linux users, there is good news for you. Most Linux distributions come with Python pre-installed. If you need an updated version, follow the commands displayed on your screen and download the latest version. After installation, to check, type the command Python 3 version. If the version is displayed in the output, then Python is ready on your machine. So now that you have Python installed, let's set up a good IDE to write code. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is a free and powerful IDE that is perfect for beginners. With its help, we will write our code and execute it. Downloading and installing VS Code is quite simple. You just need to visit code.visualstudio.com and select the installer according to your operating system. After downloading, open the installer. Follow the instructions. On Windows, you will get an option Add to Path, be sure to select it. Once VS Code is successfully installed, your IDE setup is ready. VS Code is installed, but there are some specific extensions for Python that make your coding experience smoother. To install them, open VS Code and click on the extensions icon in the left sidebar. Type Python in the search bar and install the official Python extension from Microsoft. This extension makes Python code linting, debugging, and auto-completion easy and interactive. Now let's do a quick test to confirm that everything is working fine. In VS Code, create a new file and save it with a.py extension. After creating the file, write a simple code in it. Print, Hello, DevOps Pro. Click on the Run button in the top right corner or type python3 filename.py in the terminal to run the code. If the output shows Hello, DevOps Pro, then congratulations. Your Python and VS Code setup is successful.
So in today's video, we learned how to install Python on Windows, Mac, and Linux and set up Visual Studio Code. You are now ready to start your Python journey. In the next video, we will discuss the basic syntax and variables in Python. If you are enjoying this series, make sure to subscribe to the DevOps for English channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Let's end this video here and see you in the next one. Thank you.